Okay, stat class, what we did when we went to the board is we conducted a two-way chart for A, the event drawing a face card, and B, the event drawing a heart. So just a reminder, out of 52 cards, there are face cards, meaning Jack, Queen, and King. We're not counting aces as face cards. So of those, there are 4 jacks, 1 of each suit, which are diamonds, hearts, spades, and clubs. So we have from the jack, we have 4 of those, and we have 4 queens, and we have 4 kings. So do you see that there are 12 face cards in a deck? Then how many hearts are there? Well, there's 52, and a quarter of those are the suit called hearts, so there must be 13 of those. So let's look at what a two-way chart would look like, and here's what we came up with. For event A, face cards, it's either a face card or it's not. For hearts, it's either a heart or it's not. Two-way charts, we have these events along the top and along the side. Our job now is to fill in this chart with the amounts. So let's discuss that. I'll give you the first block and you see if you can get the rest. How many are face cards and also hearts? Well, there's a heart for each face card. And recall there's 3 face cards, Queen, Jack, Queen, and King. So there must be 3 hearts that are also face cards. In like manner, can you fill in the rest of the chart? And we'll add a little row for the margins. These are the totals. They come in helpful as well. All right. So you turn that off and try to figure out the rest of the numbers and turn it back on to see what we got. All right, so one way of doing it is to look at the total. Up here we discussed that there were 12 total face cards, so I'm going to go ahead and put my total in. And let's see how many are not face cards total. Well, if there are 12 that are, 52 in the whole deck, then the other 40 are not. So my total marginal numbers are right here. We know that these have to add up to 52. That's the total of the totals. So I'm finishing these marginal totals. How many hearts are there? We discussed earlier there are 13. So how many are not hearts? Well, the balance between 13 and 52, if you subtract, you'll see there are 39. Now we can easily get the rest of the numbers by seeing this number and this number have to equal that number. So I'm expecting a 9 here. So that means there are 9 cards which are not hearts, but they are face cards. And if you think that through, that should make perfect sense. And over here, looking at the total this way, this number plus this one is 13. It must be a 10. So that makes sense. There are 10 hearts that are not face cards. It should. And then here we can look at the total this way or this way. Either way, 9 plus something has to be 39, or 10 plus something has to be 40. So it must be 30. And that means there are 30 cards that are not hearts and not face cards. And that is true. All right, so we came up with that, and sometimes we'll be asked to do that. Then we finished on the board with probability of a face or a heart, and that probability follows the rule that we developed earlier. The probability of A union B, which we read as or. We cheat a little. Probability of A or B equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus their intersection, or A and B. So now we just need to use that in this situation. A is the face, so we're going to have this is our A and this is our B. So following the pattern, the probability of A means the probability of getting a face card. So what is the probability of getting a face card? Our chart comes in handy now. here's the face cards. How many face cards are there total? 12 divided by the number possible of cards. So we're going to keep that unreduced. So we have 12 plus 52. So that took care of our probability of A. What's our probability of B? See if you can get it. Probability of B is the probability of getting a heart. So I look at these and I see there are 13 hearts out of 52. If I stop there, I would have overcounted. So I have to remember that I have to continue with subtracting the probability of A, which in our case is a face card, and a heart. So how many meet that standard? That means they are face cards and they are hearts, both. So we look at our chart and we see that this is the number of cards that are both face and heart. So I have to use those in subtraction. So I have minus 3 out of 52. When I do that math, I will come up with 22 out of 52. And if you go a little further, that's 42%. All right, so that's where we ended, and that put us in a position to actually do the assignment. And the assignment was from page, I don't know if someone showed you the note-taking page. These were the assignment. These were the numbers for the assignment. So we're on 49, 50, 54, and 56. All right, that should put you in a position, this two-way chart and this rule should put you in a position to do these successfully. Please try them, write them out, and if you have questions on them, at least write down what the problem says, and we will work them out together on Monday. All right, that's it. I hope you all are feeling better and can make it in on Monday, and I hope this helps you be where we are. So we missed you a lot, and have a nice weekend. Bye.